Hi guys! Mira is back! So, ito ay pwede nang kunin. Kasi, ano na siya? Pwede nang gulayan to guys. Hey, ikaw! Ang palaya. Bitter gourd or bitter melon. I don't know how they call it, but I think it's bitter gourd, isn't it? So here you go guys. Pwede na to maulam. Pwede na to maulam guys. Look at this. Huh? Bye bye. See ya. Anong gusto niyo to? Ampalaya con carne or pork with prawns and sa tanghon. Masarap din yun.